Hey friends, welcome back to the Simple Scrapper YouTube channel. I have a big announcement today that I am so excited about. Registration for the 2021 planning party is now open. This is going to be so much fun. We do this every November, and this one is going to top all of the past events. It's going to be your opportunity to really reflect on the year past, and of course we have a lot to reflect on, and make a plan for going forward so that you can feel creative, productive, and happy as a scrapbooker in 2021. So if you're interested, I'd love if you follow the link in the description box below, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to send you a video right away that details my personal planning process, how I keep track of all the projects that I have on my plate, from scrapbooking to work to home projects, and how I stay on track day to day in my own personal planner. So just sign up using that link below, and I will see you during November in our 2021 planning party. Take care.